go ahead and get straight into it. So I did purchase these sneakers off of eBay, as y'all can see. That's eBay with the goddamn tape. But I ain't gonna cap you, and I'm gonna go ahead and say this right now. These were supposed to come in yesterday, and for some reason it didn't. I don't know why. It said it was gonna be delivered yesterday, but it didn't come. But it did come today, so I'm not even stressing about it this time, even though, FedEx, but it is what it is. So I got this off of eBay. If you have followed me on Instagram, which you should be is in the description, I do have a pair of Yeezy 350s. Two things why I got it in the first place. One, it's an early birthday gift to myself. Y'all know my birthday is May 8th. Save the date. Make sure y'all say happy birthday to me when it comes. Second, I want to try out a pair of 350s, just cause, see if I actually do like them. Well, the colorway that I have I do like, but as for like the silhouette, the shoe itself, I still don't like it. I'm still gonna keep that same energy. I still don't like 350s, but like I said, I'm willing to give them a try. Third one, I found it for a really great price, which I just had to jump on it, so I did pay a little bit of resale for it, not too much, but it's still a good price nonetheless. So you guys should already know by now that eBay has partnered up with SneakerCon to authenticate sneakers. So if you find a seller that has like a blue check mark that says authenticity guaranteed, basically the seller's gonna ship the shoe out to SneakerCon. SneakerCon gonna authenticate, make sure everything is good with that shoe. And once everything is good with the shoe, they'll ship them out to you. Now, there's pros and cons to it. What the fuck can I know? The thing about this whole authenticity thing is that oh shit. No, I don't think so. Is that it's a good thing they have authenticators now, because y'all know in the past, and this was way before I got into sneakers, I know people would get fake shoes and get scammed off of shoes and all that crazy stuff. Now they do have an authenticator, which is SneakerCon. Shout out to them. But unfortunately, the con is they take forever to get to your shoes to authenticate. I understand people are buying from eBay, but at the same time, no. Just get to the sneakers and move on. Like that, at this point, I should need to hire more people. So, take out the box. I'm not even gonna show y'all the eBay box because I'm pretty sure y'all seen this already. And go ahead and just put that over there. Yes, so this is not the first time I purchased something from eBay. With this, I did get a pair of shoes from my dad that he wanted. But this is the second time I'm doing this, but this is the first time I'm having it for myself. So just, you get this card right here from eBay, and then of course, I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is and everything, so don't care about that. I care about the shoe itself. That's Yeezy 350. This is the V2 version, of course. Now, if we open the box, we slide it out. These bitches clean. I ain't gonna cut. So, the boy got the Yeezy 350 V2 Zions. These shits, I ain't gonna lie. My first pair of 350s. That's weird. So, first impression, like, here it is, the Yeezy 350 V2 Zion. So, looking at the shoe, because this is my first time looking at it, and like pictures and videos don't do these justice. Like, if you see like pictures and stuff like that, you will know that in pictures it look like gray and black, but in other pictures it look like gray, brown, color. And me having it in hand, looking at it in color, like it definitely has some grays in it, but it also has like, you know, browns and some sort of like maroon color all around the shoe. And let me see, looking at this, yeah, so like the black stripe, well, not a black stripe, like the stripe going around the shoe, it's not like, it's kind of black, but not necessarily black. It's kind of like a mixture of like black and brown from the look of it. But yeah, so my first pair of 350s in the collection, this is actually a size 12. Even though I asked for a 12 and a half, let me just double check real quick. Cause I know for a fact I asked for like a size 12 and a half. And I even messaged him and asked him, do you have a 12 and a half? Let me see. Yeah, it says 12. I'm gonna show you. Let me see. Yeah. So hopefully I can see that. Yeah, this is what I ordered, a 12 and a half. But the seller gave me a size 12. I mean, I'm gonna try to make it work. Because like I said before, Yeezys, from what I've heard, do run a bit small. Which is why a lot of people go a half size up on it. But I'm gonna still try them on feet, you know, just in case. Because like I said before, you know, this is my first pair of 350s. And I don't know. I think these look pretty dope, if I say so myself. So it also comes with the eBay authenticity tag right here, as y'all can see. And we're gonna look at the shoe as well. Yeah, size 12. Brand new, pretty much brand new dead stock, as y'all can see. The price that I paid for these shoes, the seller had it for like $248 and free shipping, so I definitely had to take advantage of that. And then like with eBay's fees and stuff like that, I paid about like $264, which isn't bad. So pretty much, cause you know, 350 retail for $220, so I basically paid about $40 over that. So I mean, that's not too bad if I say so myself. But yeah, my first pair of 350s in the collection. Like I said before, the only reason I got it is because I thought, like, you know, the shoe was gray. But it's more of like, you know, it's more of like that brown color with some hints of gray in it. It did, like someone said, like, you know, this is like green. I mean, it has like, I don't think so. It's not green, kind of more like that, kind of like a little bit that darker tone of gray from the looks of it. But I honestly thought this was like brown. Like I said, in pictures it looked in gray and black, but not necessarily. This looked more like again brown with some grays and like maroon color in the shoe for the most part. But I mean, it ain't bad though. I'm messing with it. I do like it. Again, my first pair of 350s in the collection. Of course, I'm messing with these a lot. I'm not messing with the silhouette. I still don't like the look of 350s, but I'm warming up to it. That's basically what I'm trying to say. I'm warming up to the 350s. But I mean, yeah, like even though this is not a 12 and a half, this is a size 12, but I'm still gonna try them on regardless just to see how the sizing is on these. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of the Yeezy 350 Zion. Did you guys think this is a pretty dope shoe? Did you cop when it first released? These did release last year. And like I said, I really like the colorway, but you know, of course, like I said, if I was gonna get no pair of these, because them should sell out like pretty fast. But it's already 10 minutes, so I'm about to go ahead and well, actually, no, before that, I do have this from Lace Lab. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, I did post it. Shout out to Lace Lab. I did purchase these laces from them. Look good with these shoes, most definitely. I'm probably gonna leave like one of the color laces on here, and then put the other one on here. Like a lace swap. Like I said, these are pretty dope. I definitely can have wait to rock these on my birthday. If like I said, if I can fit them. I mean, I could probably try to like make them work, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you guys get up there with the live stream perfectness and stuff like that. And again, let me know what you guys think of these Zions. I do think they look pretty cool. I like the colorway. I'm kind of warming up to 350s. But they're still not my favorite. That's all I got to say about them. And yeah, definitely stay tuned for that sneaker review coming very, very soon. Hopefully I can do them as fast as I can. I might be copying another pair of sneakers pretty soon as well, because I found a pair of sneakers on eBay that I might be able to get, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.